I did a thing. Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. I was contacted by the Online Makeup Academy, and they asked if I would like to be gifted a class to become a makeup artist and to come and review it and tell you about it and my experience with it. And that is what this video is about. This was a wonderful opportunity. This was actually something that I had been thinking about doing for several years because I have always had a love of makeup. And that love started with, and I've told this story before, after school, sometimes I would go to my aunt's house, my Aunt Margaret, and she was a Mary Kay lady. And she would let me play in the makeup, and I helped her organize it and do inventory. She taught me about skincare. It was a wonderful time for me, and I learned a whole lot from her. So when I turned 12 years old, my mother took me shopping to get my first pieces of makeup. And I still remember it. I was 12 years old, all right, and it was at Eckerd's drugstore in our neighborhood. And I got a Maybelline 4 quad pastel eyeshadow and a Maybelline baby pink lipstick, and then a Maybelline compact translucent powder. And I was just in heaven. I mean, I loved makeup. That was when I was 12. I'm 64 years old now. That means I've been wearing makeup for 52 years. 52 years. So I have a little bit to say about makeup. So first of all, let's get this out of the way. I want to thank Lana, Pauline, Elena, Mariana, and I can't remember the other lady's name, for taking me in and inviting me at my age, because that's kind of an oddity to take someone in at my age, 64 years old, to do a makeup artist class. So I may be their oldest, I don't know. But it was something that I thoroughly enjoyed and hung on every single word. Sitting here going through the classes, and there is so much information, and the class is not cheap by any means, but it is an investment in yourself. So if you're thinking about this, please pay close attention to what I'm saying. It is an investment in yourself, and you are worth it. So think about it. Down below is going to be a link to the website, and then there's also going to be a code that they have given me to share with you. So they offer so much more than just a makeup artist class. They have other classes as well too. They have hair. They have special hair for bridal. They have special effects makeup. They have Zoom classes that they offer, to where once you are part of this, once you're enrolled into their school, you have lifetime access. So like these modules that go through, and I'm going to do a little clip here of kind of just showing you all the different excuse me, all the different modules and all the breakup things. Now, what is important here is that they teach you to learn on not just yourself but others. They prefer that whenever you do your homework that you do it on models. I didn't have a model. It was just myself. My husband said no, he wouldn't do it. And my daughter, who would have been a beautiful model, my 32-year-old beautiful redhead girl, but she is in the midst of nursing school and working, so she has no free time. So, and the dogs wouldn't let me play with their either, but June has the perfect eyeliner anyway. So, but they teach you, because as a makeup artist, you have to know how to work on other skin tones, not just your own. You have to work on light to dark skin. You have to learn how to make adjustments if they have dry skin, if they have oily skins, if they have scars or pimples. That was another class. How to, on the special effects, how to create a scar. That was really cool. They have bridal makeup. You have to know how to, if you're going to work in the bridal business, to do from a child all the way up to a senior, maybe the grandmother of the bride. You know, if they want everybody, the whole wedding party done, you have to learn how to work on men. They have different, like if they're on TV, on film shoots, on photo shoots. There's just so much information in this class, and they have other classes to take it to a different level too if you want to. Once you get your certificate, and I'm going to put mine up here. Yes, I'm so proud of this. You can get a, you can apply, I guess, to get a pro discount card. And I'm going to put up here a clip, just a picture of some of the brands that you can get huge discount with. And the school tells you how to apply and all the different things you need to get that discount. So, but for me, what I learned so much, and the way they teach it is so logical to me. I mean, it breaks it down into modules, and then you take tests, you have homework, and you have to send your homework in of the specific look that they like, and they're very detailed. Elena is the one who reviewed mine, and I'm going to insert a clip here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you her critique of my work and one of the pieces of my work here side by side. So hang tight, we're going to do that.
Hi Barbara, so taking a look today at your casual as well as a glamour makeup application, cool tone eyeshadow and the halo eye. So starting off with the casual makeup application. So I really like your skin, again, nice and even application of the foundation match, color correction, concealer application. The only thing, like, your skin is slightly bit like more on the dewy side, which is great, but for the casual makeup application, looking for more like a matte skin finish, so I probably use like a little bit more powder just around the nose area to set it. Otherwise, I definitely like the soft smoky eye. Great application of the liner. I really like how nice and soft with a beautiful wing in the end. Your eyebrows looks great, as well as the lipstick color choice. For the glamour makeup application, absolutely love the combination of the eyeshadow colors, the application, your blend in between the colors, as well as the above the crease area. I do like the fact that you use the transitioning colors to create this soft and gradual blending. Great color choice for the lipstick, nice application, and I of course here I really like the soft glow on your skin, so beautiful. For the cool tone eyeshadow, this is exactly the colors what are we supposed to use for the cool tone eyeshadow makeup application. The silver on the lid, the warmer transitioning colors in the outer corner of the eye, and I really like that you use even softer colors above the crease area, again to get the beautiful soft blending. The rest of the makeup application foundation looks great, even though I feel like in this work, like your foundation is a tiny bit too lighter. Maybe you did use the different shade, but try to add a little bit more bronzer for the next time. And then let me just find the Halo Eye. So this one is my favorite work. It's so great. I really like the combination of the eyeshadow colors, the application, this depth and dimension wherever you create it in the inner and outer corner, and that center is really popping. That's exactly what we're looking for. Such a nice and like warm look, very wearable halo eye, and I really like the liner to accentuate the lash line. The lower lash line looks great too, and of course the rest of the makeup as well. Great job. Not quite sure if you have anything else left, but
All right, so that was my critique of that, and it's just like they give constructive criticism, and they tell you not to use any filters. They know if you're using a filter or not, you know. And I never use filters anyway, so I didn't worry about that. But they critique you and give you the detailed information, even like on that look that I just showed you, which was the halo eye. Oh my goodness, it took me 2 hours to do the eyeshadow, and I wasn't happy with it, so I took it all off and I started over, and then it took me another 2 hours to do that. But I was so happy with myself and so proud of myself. I put some of those pictures of the homework on my Instagram page, and I was just ecstatic that I could even do that. Now, I really thought, like when I started this, like, okay, they're going to do all this theatrical makeup. They call it, I believe, editorial makeup, where they come in and they do, really dramatic and stuff, which they did some, but they also did very natural makeup as well too, which is what I was drawn to. One of the things I learned is you cannot have enough small fluffy brushes, especially clean small fluffy brushes. And it's just like, okay, I thought I had enough brushes. I apparently need more brushes. So I will be working on that. But just the amount of information that came out of this class that I learned is well worth it. So ladies, if you're considering this, I mean, it is an investment in yourself, even if it's for just learning for yourself. But who knows what it could create? Who knows? It's just something to help you believe in yourself. And, the gift of beauty, think about that for maybe your daughter or somebody special in your life that has an interest in it. That would be a wonderful gift. We've got the holidays coming up, so think about that. So now in this class, the one that I took, because they did gift it to me, it did not come with the makeup kit. I used all of my own makeup that I have. But if you enroll in the class, there are different packages that you can get, and some of those packages come with the makeup and the makeup tools and brushes in there. So one of the things that I did, and I don't have it in here with me because it's in there getting cleaned, they use gel eyeliner a whole lot, which is something I did not have. I actually usually, for me, I just used a cake eyeliner, but I did all order because I kept talking about this one little eyeliner brush, and I looked it up and I found it on Amazon and I ordered it. And oh my goodness, it is a game changer. It is a game changer. And I'll put the link down there below to that. So, but this is something well worth the time if you are interested in makeup. Do it for yourself. Do it for your future. I think it's something fun. And I really, really enjoyed it. And I want to say again to all the ladies there, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I have just enjoyed it immensely, and I look forward to continue learning with you. So ladies, I'm going to get out of here right now. So remember what I tell you? This is part of what I tell you every single day. Get up and show up because you are worth it. Can't put a price on that. So ladies, I'll see you in my next video.